Hello, my butterflies. Today's video is going to be a Meg from Hercules inspired look. So I've already done my brows and my primer off camera. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right in with the eyeshadow. And I'm going to be doing the Blowing Smoke ColourPop palette. And I'm going to grab my ColourPop E26 brush, and I'm just cleaning this off because I'm going to be using this for the entire video. Then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Play It Jewel palette. And we are going in with the brightest purple, which is Treasure Box. Then I am going to go in with the shade Fractal, and I'm going to go right over it to add some glitter. And I'm going to put that right over and in my inner corner. Then I'm going to go in with my, that's the wrong brush, my ColourPop E26 brush, and I'm going in with a dark purple, and this is called Surreal. And I'm going right under the brow bone. And then we are going to see if I can find my blending brush. Here it is. We are blending all of this out. Clean up the under eye. Then I'm going to go in with my Hocus Pocus 2 Billy Butcherson mascara. And this is purple, so it's absolutely perfect for this look. Then next I am going to go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Rose. Blending it out. Then we are going to go in with the ColourPop F30 brush. And I'm using my Flawless Satin Foundation lipstick, or foundation, Flawless Satin Foundation in Buff. I don't know why I got so tongue-tied there for a moment, but there you are. And then we are going to go in with the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to use my F21 brush, and we are going to use the second shade to contour. Blend it out. Then we are going in with the Cheeky blush palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Then we are going in with the Gryffindor lip balm. From the Harry Potter collection. And then I'm going to grab my e.l.f. lip palette. And I just had the brush. It's right here. And I'm going to use this pink right here. And I'm going to wipe this off. I'm going into the dark purple because for some reason her top lip is darker than her bottom lip. Then I'm going to set this in place with the e.l.f. Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. And that completes this look. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified about everything that happens here on my channel. I hope you all have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, butterflies!